In this video, I'll be showing you how to buy Bitcoin on the buybitcoinworldwide.com website. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is click country and look for Palau. Click the search and type in. Under Palau, you should see payment method. Click payment method and look for cash. So then it should pop up. We found 3 Bitcoin exchanges in Palau that accepts cash. The companies that accepts cash in Palau is Local Bitcoins, Bitcoin ATMs, and Muslim Local Trader. Local Bitcoins is an escrow service which also helps to match Bitcoin buyers and sellers. The most common method of payment for purchase is cash deposit. However, users may advertise trades for whichever payment method they prefer. So I'm going to end the video right here. For more information, go to the Wheels Coins or the link down below, which is the blog. And I'll see you on my next video.